Hey guys, so look what just came in, and this is actually my friend's who ordered it, and so I brought it. She lives literally around the corner from me, so I ran it over here because I know how excited she was. And so we're gonna unbox it right now. She's gonna go ahead and do the honors, but look at this! Look at all the different sides. I wanna see, is there a different?
No.
Is it
I thought
still
it would
the
be
evil?
a witch
Yeah.
here, but
No, because this is just the
oh, I'm so in love with it already. I
poison
haven't even
apple.
opened it.
I know. This one's real cute. Like when we saw it when they showed it. Oh, look at that. Go on, take a bite. Oh yeah.
I'm just keeping this box. I'm gonna put it in the box. Okay.
Okay, save those because those are the inserts.
I'm so excited.
Those. Look at the inside of the apple. Is that cool?
Oh my god.
I love all the details.
I do too.
The details of things.
Okay, here we go.
Ooh.
Is it sparkly? Oh, I thought it was sparkly. It would be cool if it was sparkly.
Okay, I can't imagine it.
I need to get a
sparkly.
green bulb.
Light bulb? Oh yeah. Oh, I wonder, let me see. This is a 20 watt, so.
Yeah, if you have a 20-watt green bulb, I need one. Oh my god.
Look at this. Look at that. That's so cool.
Here, we'll put the top in.
Where's your plug so we can, oh good, perfect, okay. No, get your inserts.
Oh, I know.
Okay, so now
There we go.
you have a couple of different options on how you want to, do it, because you can do just
red.
Yeah, just red, just black, or you can put the black and then the red over it to where it shows through. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
I'm in love with it. Okay.
And it has a cutout where the core, like where that piece goes in the back.
Okay.
But this, so you can see. And it's supposed to fit down. There you go, and twist like that. See? Isn't that cool? Okay, you want to see how it looks like just with that?
Yes.
Undo the rope and then put the lid on, or the dish on. You can see. Look at that. Look at the nose. It looks so cool.
Oh, I'm in love.
Oh wait, put the thing on.
I'm in love.
Dish on. Oh, I don't know, I like it like that.
Oh, I'm in love.
But we gotta see it with the red too.
Yes.
Look at the apple.
Okay. Let's turn this bad boy off.
Yeah. Add the red.
Oh, Scentsy.
The house is
Oh, Scentsy.
cool. She
gonna
loves
make
her
me
Halloweens and villains, and I think you just put it on the inside of that. So
Inside?
you put it, yeah, so like, yeah, turn, and you kind of squeeze it in there. Isn't that how? There are probably directions. I just, oh, it is. They're right there. I just didn't actually look at them and read them.
Oh, I see. Okay, so we can do one or the other, I believe.
No, but you can't. I know you can do both.
Okay.
I know there's a way to do both because I think.
She's all better be.
I'm pretty sure. Now I could be wrong. I thought on one of the videos I saw that you could do both. Maybe. Am I not right?
Hold on, Lisa.
Maybe a little finagling happening in there.
there.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Twist her to where she goes in. There we go. Put the lid. Put the lid. Oh, see, yeah. I knew you could do both. Yeah.
Ooh, I can't decide if I like the red or the green.
I know.
Oh, she's so pretty. She's the ugliest pretty thing I've ever seen.
She's the ugliest pretty thing. So here is the Disney Villains Just One Bite warmer. And this is with both the inserts in there. It is so cute.
I'm obsessed.
All right, so this is still available along with our fragrance flowers, the roses. They are the wilting, I think they're called wilting roses, where when they absorb the oil, they turn black, like they're dying, and I will do a video on that. But I just had to show you this, and I had to get this over to her because she has been so excited to get this. I couldn't wait any longer. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and you can comment if you have any questions or message me. You can find me on shelbymariewinkle.scentsy.us or on my Facebook at Wax Mama of Weatherford, and hit me up there. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.